Hello, everybody. It's Isaac here, and today I have something to share with you. So I'll give you a little hint. Billionaire. What do you think when you hear the word billionaire? Well, we'll see what I'm going to talk about in a few seconds. So, hello, everybody. My name is Isaac, and my channel is called Millennial Kingdom. And tonight, my 1 a.m. special is on the topic billionaire motivation from me live. I would like to begin with a profound statement. Yesterday, um, let's say I was uh, only making, as of yesterday, every year from yesterday, I was only making an annual income of 14,000. But today, I am on the journey to 2.5 billion. Now I know you're probably thinking easier said than done, or it's easier to talk about doing a thing than it is to do it. You're probably also saying it is easier to give advice than to put into practice. But I am sure that this is a goal and that I'll reach it. So let's get to the next thing. All right. So, um, a thing that I would start by doing is Code Academy. Now, if you haven't heard about this site, it basically teaches you free coding, different things like JS, which is JavaScript, or CSS, PHP, HTML5. And when you learn that, you can start building things by coding. It could be games, it could be websites, could be, anything that you can do. Because once you know coding, then everything becomes easy. Okay? So, I have a GitHub. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. So github.com/millennial kingdom. Okay, so this is my GitHub. Okay, as you can see, my description says age 29, Canadian male. I like to work hard. My full name is Isaac, and uh, that's me right there. This is my logo. And right now, I only have 3 repositories. And I'm following 3 people. And tells you about my contributions in the year. So I was a little busy this January, and the last time I was busy was last year around the end of August. So, um, okay, so that's pretty much what I want to show you. Just my GitHub. You can go to GitHub. You can even, you know, add your coding if you want, and you know, let's see what we can build. Okay, but yeah, that's my GitHub. So I don't want to make this video too long. Let me just close off by saying that uh, when you're a salesperson, they say you gotta have two things. Okay, you gotta have number one, an audience, and number two, you gotta have an offer. So my audience that I am actually broadcasting to is the Millennial Kingdom. Okay, Millennial Kingdom is my audience, and some of you know what Millennial Kingdom means, what it is, and some of you are learning, and you'll learn a lot on this channel, by the way. But my offer now is actually um, most of the things that I have started based on Millennial Kingdom and for Millennial Kingdom could be my Patreon page, which you go to patreon.com/Millennial Kingdom and you'll find my Patreon page. If you go to our website, uh, that's http // and then um, newmillennialkingdom.com. You would see our website, and um, you see videos of me also talking about how I'm trying to aim for certain goals. Okay, so in this video is a new one. Okay, the new goal is that from this day forward, I am heading to the goal of 2.5 billion. Okay, that's a goal for today and onward. So thank you guys for listening to this. This was a billionaire motivation, and I hope that you guys learned a lot from it. And I hope that you guys continue to follow me and to see the new things that I bring out for the year 2018. So have a good day, guys. God bless you. God bless everyone.